heart's beating upon my sleeve, trying to figure out if you mean the things you do. Only for you. And I know you can't even think right now, and advice is something I can live without. Oh Lord, oh Lord. And you should hold your breath from behind your text and second guess all the things that rattle around my head. No more, no less than chemicals and pheromones. Oh heaven knows.
Tryna fix your inner issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck you, white hoes in your carriage.